Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys and vehicles here, and today I will introduce all of toys with all you, and finally I'll hand driving all of toys. So first one is here. This is a V3 super racing car, so I'll hand driving this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of here. There is the next one is a DS Trojan car, so I'll trying this Trojan car also with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of a V3 racing car. There is the next one is a police helicopter. This is pink, green and paste color combination, so I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides of DS 3D Tarzan car. There is the another one is a 3D police car here. This is a white color 3D police car, so let's go. Okay, I'll park here besides a police car, police helicopter. There is the next one is a dump truck here, and this is so many color here, pink, purple and paste color. So let's go. Okay, I'll park here besides of 3D police car. There is the another one is a under construction vehicle. This is dump truck and this is fully red color dump truck, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of a dump truck. There is the another one is a backhoe. This backhoe color is yellow and black combination, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of dump truck. There is the another one is a army tank here, and this is green and yellow color combination, so I'll trying this tank with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of Excavator. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. So thank you so much.